everyone. Me and the cicadas. Cicadas. Comes someone. Is that one of them? Yes! Here comes Terry! Morning!
Morning, how are you?
I'm good, you?
Yeah, good, thank you.
Ready for this? Yeah!
Bye!
Right, hurry up, Robin. Come on, we want to fly.
Hola.
Here he is!
Hola. Sorry we're late. We went 20 kilometres in the wrong direction. Oh no.
Lunker.
Yeah. Yeah, good, you?
Let's get the stuff. Right, we're here today to try out these after Terry's disaster so that none of us lose our batteries and drones.
We're going to go now.
Whee! Oh shit! What the hell? What happened?
That's the battery coming out.
No way! I've never seen that happen before.
Never seen that happen.
Christ. Oh, that doesn't look good.
Oh, that's not good at all.
I can't believe that. Why did the battery come out?
I don't know. How bad now?
Mega bad. And first up, Robin's going to show us how to put it on. Oh, it's yours different to mine. You have a hole in the bottom. What's that for?
That's for the sensor.
Oh, so they were different.
Yeah.
Ah.
Good job I cancelled the order, really.
Yeah, and got the right one.
Yeah. It's the same design at top, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's 3D printed as well.
Yeah, yours is fatter, look.
Yeah.
Oh. Have you got a belt now, Terry?
No, what I do,
Do you want to borrow one?
I watched the internet.
Ah, okay. What, cable tie or something?
Yeah.
That would have been a good idea, wouldn't it? It'd save us a fortune.
Yeah, exactly. Just a couple of
Cable tie. No, don't bother with these. Cable ties.
Yeah.
Ah, right. Yeah,
I
right,
don't
yeah.
know that it wouldn't hold it.
No.
It wouldn't hold it because
No, that's.
although.
Oh, mind you, it might stop it popping out.
Yeah. Possibly.
Right, come on then, let's see how Robin gets
Right.
his belt on. It's not actually sheer, there's a
And
grass
also,
there.
I didn't realise that in Spain you do have to have one of them.
Ah, the plaque. Yeah. Yeah.
Sort of got my phone number in that.
Yeah.
Serial
I need
number's on
to
it anyway.
seriously look into the registration thing. Right,
Yeah.
so I put it like this, and that goes round
So paranoid.
there.
Oh, you got that on pretty quick.
Yeah.
And where's the sensor underneath? Oh yeah, oh wow, that was different to the bottom of mine.
Perfect.
And then those little screw things that you hopefully haven't lost.
Haha. Well, now it's the tricky part, I reckon.
Oh yeah, you have to squeeze it together, don't you?
Oh, there's one.
Excellent. Yeah, that battery's not jumping out today.
No.
Definitely not going to come out, is it?
No, that's
That's good. That's rock solid.
that's in.
Right, let's see if we can get mine on then. Right, let's see how easy it is to get this battery belt on. Got that far
What an
now.
umbrella, Marisol. Sure.
That'd be good, wouldn't it? Marisol and her parasol.
Yeah.
Say at the moment, I'm thinking cable ties are the way to go. Oh, there we go. Right. Click.
I'm just doing you a favour.
Oh, I've done it the wrong way round. God's sake. This is going well, isn't it?
In fact, we get everyone to.
Oh, stop come on. Right, that way round. God, there we go. At last. I guess it just goes between the sensors. Close, aren't they? Yeah, I'm nearly ready. Finally got the belt on the right way round. Those bits off. Okay, are you ready? Me too.
Come down forward, to one side slightly. I think we're in shot, it's very difficult. Okay. Alright, okay, formation. Very good, those turns. Turn.
Go after that belt.
Now this stuff is on.
Yeah. That'll be worth giving it a go, I'd have thought.
I might, on the way home, go into a ferreteria.
Yeah.
Belt and battery. Yes. Okay, we're at the restaurant now. I've got my can of Fanta. Terry's got his fry up.
Patata fritas.
Robin's got his fry up. And we're eating. Oh, nice. Very nice. Cool.
Perenegra.
Right, so what's the official verdict on this thing then?
I think they're great.
Robin says 10 out of 10. What do you think, Terry? Do you like yours?
I do, and my one's coming, but mine's got a camera mount on it.
Oh yeah,
Which I
I've
think
ordered
will
one of
double
them
up
as
now.
well, yeah. Well, the official verdict is it is a little bit of a faff, but it's better than having your £1,000 drone fall out of the sky, isn't it, Terry?
And the rest. Shut it.